Hi everybody, it's Jennifer again, and today I'm going to show you how to do this cat eye with the Vampy Lip, so please keep watching. So first I'm going to prime my lids using the MAC Paint Pot in Rubenesque, and I already did my brows ahead of time. Now I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm going in with white chocolate to highlight my brow bones. Next I'm going in with salted caramel to warm up my crease, and I am blending it upwards towards my brow bone. Next I'm using hazelnut to darken my outer V, and I'm bringing it only towards half of my lid. Then with a small clean blending brush, I am just blending out any harsh edges. Next I'm using marzipan, and I'm applying this on the center of my lid towards my inner corner. Now I'm taking gilded ganache, and I'm going to darken the outer V and also slightly drag it out towards the tip of my brow. For foundation, I am using my Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. To highlight my under eyes, I am using Bobbie Brown Tinted Eye Brightener, and I am just doing a very light triangle and also highlighting the bridge of my nose and a little bit off the forehead. To set my face, I am using IT Cosmetics by Pores. And for eyeliner, I am using Makeup Forever Aqua Liner in the shade 2L. This is a dark metallic brown. Going back into the palette, I'm using Triple Fudge on a pencil brush, and I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash. Next I'm using Inglot 77 Gel Liner and my Sonia Kashuk eyeliner brush, and I'm doing my cat eye, and this will be just thin in the middle, and then it goes out to a very thick wing. Next I'm using Ellis Boss, and this is in the shade Antique Silver, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners as well as my outer corner of just this small accent line. And this is such a beautiful shadow. It's a liquid shadow, but it's very, very vibrant, very opaque. Going back into the palette, I am using Gilded Ganache and just deepening out the outer corners and doing small touch-ups. Then I'm using my Sonia Kashuk Invisible Bronzer just to prime my face for my powder bronzer and blush. For mascara, I am using Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara on both my upper and lower lashes. Next, I'm using House of Lashes in Siren. For bottom lashes, I'm using Daiso Japan, and this is in the number 315. I'm just taking one and cutting it in half and applying it to the outer corners of my lower lash. Then for bronzer, I am using Tarte Amazonian Clay in the shade Park Avenue Princess. And I'm going to bronze the sides of my cheeks, my forehead, as well as the sides of my nose. To contour the sides of my nose, I'm using a Sephora large angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm contouring the sides and just a little bit across the bridge and the base of my lip. To prime my lips, I'm using NYX Lip Primer in the shade Medium. Then I'm going in with the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Currant. And I'm going to line my entire lips. Then I'm using NYX Lip Liner in the shade Blackberry, which is practically black. And I'm just ombreing the outer corners. Then I'm using Revlon Black Cherry. This lipstick has a semi-matte finish. You could stop right here with this look, or if you want a high gloss shine, I recommend Maybelline Elixir in the shade Caviar Couture. Then with the clean e.l.f. brush, I'm just cleaning off the edges. Going back to my Tarte blush, I am using Doll Face. And now that my eyelash glue has dried, I'm going back in with my Physicians Formula 2-in-1 Booster Pen and just cleaning off any exposed glue and blotting my lips. So that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. Everything I am wearing will be listed in the description box, and please comment down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and thumbs up this video, I definitely appreciate it. Have you seen my last video, how to apply liquid lipstick? It is listed down in the description box below if you want to see that video as well. So thank you so much for watching. Till next time.